Asia Pacific of American Tower Corporation? So the right answer is Sanjay Govil. American Tower Corporation has appointed Sanjay Govil as Executive Vice President and President Asia Pacific, succeeding Amit Sharma, who will serve as chairman of the company's Asia Pacific region and as special advisor to the CEO until his next retirement on July 1st, 2021. Next question. The Asian Development Bank ADB has appointed whom as its Managing Director General? So the right answer is Woo Chong-yoon. The Asian Development Bank ADB has appointed Woo Chong-yoon as its Director General. President of ADB Bank is Masatsugu Asukawa, and it is founded on 19 December 1966. Headquarters is in Mandaluyong, Philippines. Next question. Who became the India's first woman cricketer to score 10,000 runs in international cricket? Right answer is Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj is the India's first woman cricketer who scored 10,000 runs in international cricket. Let's see next question. Which country has developed the world's most powerful supercomputer, Fugaku? So Japan has developed the world's most powerful supercomputer Fugaku. The Japanese Scientific Research Institute named Riken and Fujitsu started developing Fugaku 6 years ago. Now this supercomputer is completely ready for research use. It is most powerful supercomputer in the world, and it is named Fugaku after an alternate name of Mount Fuji. Next question. Central government has launched which mobile for One Nation One Ration Card system? Right answer is Mera Ration. The Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution launched Mera Ration mobile app. This app will aid ration card holders, especially migrant workers, in the getting subsidies, food grains and any fair price shop in any country. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of UCO Bank? So Ishraq Ali Khan has been appointed. UCO Bank has been founded on 6 Jan 1943. It has been 78 years. Headquarters is in Kolkata, West Bengal and India, and CEO of the UCO Bank is Atul Kumar Goyal. Next question. Which Marathi writer refused to accept the Sahitya Academy Award? Right answer is Nanda Khare. Marathi writer Nanda Khare refused to accept the Sahitya Academy Award for his novel Udya, published in 2014. Sahitya Academy Award, established in 1954, is a literary honor that is conferred annually by Sahitya Academy. The Sahitya Academy Award is the second highest literary honor by the Government of India after the Jnanpith Award. Next question. Which Indian naval ship has participated in the National Day celebration of Mauritius? So the right answer is INS Shardul. INS Shardul ship participated in National Day celebration of Mauritius on 12th March 2021 during the port call. This ship is indigenously built at Garden Research Shipbuilder and Engineers means GKSE, Kolkata, and commissioned in Indian Navy in 2007. Next question. Which state has started campaign Vote Vandi scheme to create voter awareness? Right answer is Kerala. With an aim of increasing the polling percentage in the upcoming assembly election, an interesting venture called Vote Vandi has started in Kerala. Interesting and informative songs and slogan also mentioned in that to start the Vote Vandi system. Next question. Which state government has ordered the removal of all roadside religious structure? So right answer is Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh government on March 11, 2021 observed the removal of all religious structures on public road. The official press release from the Home Department state that no structure or construction of religious nature should be allowed on public roads, street, pavement and by the roadside. Next question. Central government will launch Atmanirbhar Niveshak Mitra portal on which date? So they will launch on 1st May 2021. Now central government is working to develop a portal called Atmanirbhar Niveshak Mitra portal. The portal is currently in the testing phase. It will be launched by May 1st, 2021. The ministry is also working on a web page which will be available in regional languages and mobile app. Next question. Which bank has been recently pulled out from the PCA framework by the RBI? So right answer is IDBI Bank. Reserve Bank of India means RBI has pulled out the Industrial Development Bank of India means IDBI Bank from the PCA framework, Prompt Corrective Action means PCA framework for carrying out normal lending operations. From now, IDBI Bank was kept under the PCA framework in 2017 due to negative returns on assets. Next question. Who has been appointed as the captain of the West Indies test team in the place of Jason Holder? Right answer is Craig Brathwaite. On 11th March 2021, opener batsman Craig Brathwaite has been appointed captain of the West Indies test team in the place of Jason Holder. He becomes the 37th test captain of the West Indies. He has already led the team in 7 test matches in the absence of the Holder. Next question. Which state declare all students of class 1st to 9th as all pass? Right answer is Puducherry. Puducherry Governor Dr. Tamilisa Soundararajan approved a proclamation on 11th March 2021 to declare all students of class 1st to 9th as all pass in this academic year. Meanwhile, the students studying in class 10 and 11 in Puducherry and Karaikal will be declared all pass as per guidelines of Tamil Nadu board. Next question. Which bank has launched a contactless prepaid card called Nama Chennai Smart Card? Right answer is ICICI Bank. Tamil Nadu CM Idapadi K. Palaniswamy unveiled the Nama Chennai Smart Card. This card is contactless prepaid card. Using this card, users can make numerous online payments at the GCC center. The card holders can make payments in retail stores and e-commerce website in India. Next question. A spacecraft named after NASA mathematician arrived at International Space Station. What is the name of the spacecraft? So right answer is SS Katherine Johnson. A spacecraft supply ship Cygnus NG-15 cargo dubbed as SS Katherine Johnson has named in the honor of Katherine Johnson, a NASA mathematician who played a critical role in the success of the first US crewed spaceflight Mercury Atlas 6 mission. The SS Katherine Johnson arrived on February 2021 and will be at the International Space Station until May 2021. On which day World Hearing Day is observed? So the right answer is 3 March. Every year World Hearing Day is observed on 3 March to raise awareness on how to prevent deafness and hearing loss and promote ear and hearing care across the world. So this year the World Hearing Day theme was Hearing Care of All. Next question. When is the International Mother Language Day observed every year? Right answer is February 21. International Mother Language Day is observed on February 21 every year to promote linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. This day recognizes that languages and multilingualism can advance inclusion and the sustainability development goals focus on leaving no one behind. This year the theme was fostering multilingualism for inclusion in the education and society. Next question. Who has been appointed as India's next High Commissioner to Australia? Right answer is Manpreet Vohra. Senior diplomat Manpreet Vohra has been appointed as India's next High Commissioner to Australia. He is 1988 batch Indian Foreign Service IFS officer, is presently ambassador to India to Mexico. Which country has recently developed first computer using ocean plastic waste management? Right answer is HP. Computer maker HP made its first ever consumer PC using plastic waste in ocean, a move that builds on the company's sustainability commitment. Newly launched Pavilion 13, Pavilion 14 and Pavilion 15 laptops ever manufactured using ocean-bound plastics. Next question. Which state has inaugurated Asia's biggest cattle park Advanced Institute of Integrated Research on Livestock and Animal Science? Right answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu CM Idapadi K. Palaniswamy inaugurated the Advanced Institute of Integrated Science in Livestock in Asia near Thalaivassal. Governor of Tamil Nadu is Banwarilal Purohit. Next question. Irakli Garibashvili has become the new Prime Minister of which country? So the right answer is Georgia. Next question. Who has become the youngest female to row solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Right answer is Jasmine Harrison. He took 70 days, 3 hours and 48 minutes for Jasmine Harrison to row across the Atlantic Ocean, 3,000-mile journey from the Canary Island of the northwest coast of Africa to the Caribbean island of Antigua. At 21, she is the youngest woman ever to row solo across an ocean. Next question. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has inaugurated the new Indian High Commission building in which country? So the right answer is Mauritius. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar inaugurated new Chancery building of the Indian High Commission in Mauritius and received over 950 housing units built with the Indian support in the country. So today's last question. Who has been appointed as the Additional Director General of CRPF? Right answer is Kuldeep Singh. Kuldeep Singh is IS officer, has been assigned to look after the charge of CRPF Director General as DG after incumbent Chief AP Maheshwari retires. Kuldeep Singh is a 1986 batch officer working as the Special DG of his Central Zone and will hold the additional charge of the CRPF. Thank you.
We touch, we break, make